Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shikoku token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Ticker symbol is Shik, S-H-I-K. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Shikoku. Ticker symbol S-H-I-K. Like I said, this token is up 8.1% today. Just got listed on CoinGecko. They have 3 different web pages listed on here. Shikoku.io, Shikoku.fun, and Shikoku.click. This is an Ethereum token. You can find their Etherscan listed on CoinGecko. So basically how you'd buy this token is you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap and you would trade your Ethereum for the Shikoku token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And just be aware also that there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, also on CoinGecko, you can find their price chart, contract address, block explorer, web pages, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, TikTok, Linktree, Discord, Medium, and GitHub. Lots of links on CoinGecko. So far, according to Etherscan, it says they only have 153 holders so far. Very brand new project, not a lot of holders yet. You can find all those links I just mentioned too on their Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token, 997 transfers, and a total supply here, that's a million, billion, trillion, 1 quadrillion token is their max total supply. It says speculation on the future price action of various assets in a large and rather unavoidable part of cryptocurrency as a whole, whether the assets themselves hold intrinsic value or not at the time of speculation. At its fundamental core, Shikoku Inu is a decentralized experiment starting out of the Ethereum blockchain that will leverage this for the potential benefit of users who create future utilities for it. We cover the key tenets of the experiment as well as the areas in which a decentralized ecosystem may blossom, assuming community adoption and virality. Additionally, we propose a novel concept for community retention and engagement, that is the publishing of the private key of the developer account for all to see and use to harbor a truly decentralized community. Shikoku Inu has no permanent allotted owner. Instead, it is owned by all that wish to own it. The goal of this short, non-technical white paper is to enlighten those who wish to understand the experiment as well as become acquainted with its aim and future goals. This initial version of the paper will not be technical in nature to allow for those unfamiliar with the space to grasp the concepts behind Shikoku Inu clearly. Now, cryptocurrency was created Nakamoto 2008. However, at the time of writing this, multiple events have happened. The collapse of several central exchange institutions. Now, skip all past this old stuff here. It says Shikoku Inu plans to assist the common investor with knowledge on how to safely custody their assets in an interesting and engaging way while allowing them to be part of a decentralized and vibrant community of those with similar goals. Shikoku Inu, while beginning as an experiment, plans to grow into a decentralized ecosystem where the value will be provided by the community for the community and those outside the community who are looking to learn more about decentralization and cryptocurrency as a whole. There has been a considerable shift in the sentiment for self-custody and these events, which we consider to be necessary and important for crypto in its ideal form to flourish. However, we note that for the average investor, self-custody and utilizing DEXs, decentralized exchanges, and other dApps may be intimidating at first. Shikoku Inu aims to bridge the gap for those average investors not only via educational tools, but by ever-expanding ecosystems that grow alongside the community. We note that for success in this area, Shikoku will not only need a determined decentralized governance system, it will also need the backing of a strong faction of those who back it. Shikoku resides on the Ethereum blockchain. We don't need to go over what Ethereum is. Now, let's see here. It says it's decentralized, wants to bring mass adoption. Let's scroll down here to see if they have, there's a lot of background on here that's kind of unnecessary. Now, if we scroll all the way down to, they have like 10 commandments on here, which is kind of crazy. Like be kind to others. Like is the number one commandment. Yeah, then it has the developer's private key is number 2. This is kind of crazy, this white paper here. Okay, it doesn't look like there's like a real roadmap on here or tokenomics or anything. This is kind of a strange white paper. It says, conclusion, Shikoku Inu has been born in the midst of a bear market, uncertainty and turmoil in the general markets. We believe that this is an optimal time for us to enter the market and build a strong community of believers in the goals. And yeah, I mean, really nothing of substance in the conclusion either. Yeah, I wish they had this white paper was more straightforward. They have commandments on here, like very strange. I've never seen a white paper with 10 commandments on it. Now, if you go to their webpage, it's just all different links, and it says a community experiment in true decentralization. And then it just has all their social links, their Medium articles. They don't even have any Medium articles yet either. Very brand new project. Not a lot to say about this project here. I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC, a docs team, anything like that either. So just be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.